is called Passersby, and it's a West Coast one. So you've got on this page with Wave, you have Waveshape. As you can see there, it's fantastic. The full spectrum from sine wave through to triangle, through to square, through to saw. And then you have wavefolding on the other encoder, encoder 3. And then we have FM. So this is low FM. And this is high FM. We then have a low pass gate, which this will be the cutoff. And that's the duration. Make it quite long and dark. It's brilliant stuff. The reverb, don't really use that much because essentially it's a lot of reverb. It's got enough reverb on it already. We have a low frequency oscillator, different shapes. So you've got triangle, saw or ramp up, square, so you can see that that's bipolar square, and then we have random. We'll keep it to the triangle, and then under on encoder in this second page we can assign the LFO to any of these parameters. So we can assign it to shape, moving around, folds, low FM, fantastic, right? When it sweeps in. Do the same with a high. I'm going to kind of leave it at that point. And then the last page you have is where you can, you've got some kind of randomizing parameter. And then you also have drift, which allows all the various, my understanding of it, it allows the different elements to not be in sync together in terms of their phase correlation. That's what I see drift to be. Let me just reduce the wavefolding, reduce the FM, leave the low pass gate as it is, and then we'll just reduce the, oh, that's the shape, so that's the speed of the LFO.